sliver for you.
Help? Well, what do you say? Okay, but you can hold it. Here, can you hold it? Ah, there you go. Can you hold it and you need it? Oh, you want it right there? Then you tip it over like this?
Yep. Julia's is right there.
Thank you.
Are you gonna, is that what you're gonna do? Why don't you eat the cone? Yeah, there you go.
Chair or something. How can you?
Can you eat the cone? Oh, there you go. Oh, good job.
I think that'll be fine.
All right, is that good? You eat it. Yeah, go ahead, eat it.
I know it fell. I didn't mean to. I'll take.
Is that good?
Wait, we're gonna put a clip on.
Is this the okay, Julia?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
This one was here, right?
Yes.
Katie, did you flip my pie over?
I'll have it.
She
'Cause I want
did.
Yeah,
pecan
flip
soup.
my
flipped it
pie
over.
over.
I didn't mean
Who
to.
flips a pie?
Exactly. Yeah, she
I'll
just
have
started.
it 'cause I want pecan and chocolate. That's
All right, so
fine.
give me.
That's my pie. What happened to that?
Perfect. It's got
Do a
love.
good
This is
one.
what it looked like at the
I'll do a
start.
good one for Matt. Yes.
Other than that.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Want some
Right
whipped
for it,
cream?
Julia.
I was gonna take some of the.